let's see how to build a blog site with Wix. So, you can really build a website through picking some templates, but this time, let's say our website is already created through a store. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a blog in it. So first is we're going to add apps, and it's going to open Wix App Market right here. We're just going to search for blog and then click this Wix Blog. We'll then add this to site. It's then gonna add Wix Blog in your site where you can create blogs. Once it's added to the site, gonna see it in the pages and menu right here. Here in blog pages, you have your blog and your posts. So let's see. When we go to blog pages and the blog, it's gonna look like this. So to edit blog or to edit your post, just go to manage posts. In here, you can publish your blogs. You can create posts through clicking this or this, create new post. And here you can start your blog by adding your title, add your, or what's the content for your blog. Let's just say right with it. Let's have sample blog, say fashion. This is just a sample, so don't mind the content. Next. Casual. Oh, there. This one. Create post. So this is just a sample for now. I'm creating it with AI, but you can always create your own blog. There. So once it's created, you can go to settings to add some image to it. Say for example, food. Just gonna pick image from Wix, but you can always upload your own media. Let's just tap this. Here. You can publish it on the day you wanted for it to be published. You can have some brief summary here or teaser for your blog. Then you can choose related posts here if you have that many posts and they're related to each other. Then we're going to feature this post. It's to display featured posts and then add a post list. You can manage the ones who comments your post right here. Here we have SEO settings also. You can monetize your blog if you want. Then translate can have also your blog. You can have it translated by multiple apps like this Wix Multilingual, or there are other apps like AIs. Can add apps. In here also, in the add button, there you can add some images to your blog, galleries, videos, GIF, some files, some dividers, buttons, tables. Here you can have it. Now, when you're done with your blog, just click publish. And once it's published, you can go to editor and see. There, this is gonna be our post right here. And when someone clicks it, it's gonna take them to the post. And this is the post. Let's try to add more. Let's try to add some more blogs. So let's say we created 2 blogs already. It's gonna look like this. Oh, and also, when we click Manage Post, we can also change the author. I forgot to explain this to you. So here we can edit the author in the settings or the writer. You can add new writers in here. You can invite a new writer. You can create a writer profile for your writer. There you can have an author name, you can have a profile picture, and some title of the writer. So this is gonna be what it looks like in the blog page. And we can also manage some or go to settings to edit the page display. You can display what you want, like the writer name, or if you don't want, you can remove it. You can have the published date. You can have published date, reading time, category label, commenter counter. You can display those if you like. You can also remove something right there. Then in the layout, you can edit its layout. There's this one, whatever you like. Let's say, for example, this, and you can design your page through this font color and also search button is also present, so we're just going to arrange that. And then we can edit the background here. You can change the background to something or none. And in here, you can change your design or your text. You can design your blog category header through this design, fill color and opacity, say like that. You can have animations for your blog header. Also, you can manage your categories right here. You can have categories for your post. Like for example, what are those that are related? You can put them in a category. And that's it. When we preview it, it's gonna look like this. And when we click this, it's gonna go to our post here. You can also edit this one, this post. Clicking this. In the settings, you can also display what do you want for your post. Designs. You can change the background in the navigation. Right here. Background of this. It's the border. The post area background. The post background. There, whenever you like it. You can always change it. And that's it. That's how to build a blog site in Wix. See you soon.